Notion has become one of those tools people swear by, from students organizing notes to teams mapping out entire product roadmaps. But as more people use it, more folks are asking, okay, I use the free version, what am I actually missing out on if I upgrade to Plus or Business? Let's walk through that, because in 2025, Notion has grown up, and those missing features might be the reason your workflow feels stuck. Starting with Notion Free, you get a generous set of features: unlimited pages and blocks, sharing with a team and collaborators, basic file upload, web, desktop, mobile apps. You can create databases, embed content, YouTube, Google Drive, etc. Use templates, build simple workflows. For a lot of individual users, freelancers, or small teams doing light work, Free already does most of what you need. The interface is polished, sync is reliable, and it's a tool you can trust. Where Free hits its limits, file upload sizes, version history, advanced permissions, and collaboration controls. If you've ever run into a size limit when uploading media or needed to restore something you changed by mistake, Free might let you down. And when your team grows, managing who can edit, who can comment, and who just views becomes more critical. Then there's Notion Plus, sometimes called Pro in other plans, and Business tiers. What do they add? With Plus, you often get larger file upload limits, for example, up to 100 megabytes or more versus smaller in Free. Longer version history, so you can go back weeks or months. Ability to invite more guests, some priority support, and more integrations or automation with external services. Business adds more: advanced analytics, better security controls, SSO, audit logs, enterprise-ready permissions and team management, centralized billing, sometimes custom domain or branding, and extra workspaces. One key difference: the collaboration experience. On Business, you can manage big teams, assign roles, restrict certain pages or sections per user, see who edited what, etc. That can make or break productivity in a company environment. On Free, everything tends to be open-ended, which is fine for small teams or personal use, but becomes messy when multiple people are working heavily. Cost is a factor. Notion Plus/Business costs significantly more than Free. Whether it's worth it depends on your scale, how many users, how much content, how mission critical your documents and workflows are. If you depend on version history, need large file uploads, or have sensitive content that requires strong permissions, then Plus or Business is probably justified. So what's my verdict in 2025? If you're using Notion casually, notes, light project work, personal wiki, Free is very capable. But if you're pushing Notion hard, scaling into team collaboration, needing security, needing history, needing reliable file performance, then upgrading is likely worth it. Just make sure you really need the features before paying.